Hello, I was going to be doing a little video on International Osteopathic Healthcare Week, which starts yesterday, in fact, hence my t-shirt. And I've got a microphone clipped in here, but I've realised that the connector has become all tangled. So I thought, well, actually, this is a bit like osteopathy. Our patients come to us and their bodies can feel all tangled up. And we listen to their story, and because we have studied a lot of different aspects of how the body works and how the body doesn't work, so we can ask deep and probing questions, which sometimes the patients think might not be relevant, but we know that there are things going on in the background that might be involved. And sometimes once we get our hands onto a patient, we can begin to feel, oh, have you knocked your head? Or did you fall on your bottom when you were a child? Something like that. So one of the things I love about osteopathy is the detective work. So yeah, we can get to be a bit nosy in an interested and kindly way as to what's going wrong with people's bodies. And then the satisfaction of having patients come in who've had a problem for years and years. And they've tried lots of different things, and they've become resigned to living with their pain. And dealing with patients like that is a bit like untangling the microphone. So I hope the sound's going to be okay. So I can always put it out bits of this. How are we doing? We're almost there. Wow. So sometimes when patients have lots of things, there's an image that comes to my mind. We accumulate injuries, accidents, life events, things happen. And there's this lovely quote that our biology is our biography. Wow, I think it's straight. And all these things are a bit like a suitcase. Our life is a suitcase. Sometimes our body is a suitcase. And it's full of luggage. And how do we pack the luggage? Do we have it neatly folded? Or is it all just bunged in, higgledy-piggledy, dirty, clean, all next to each other? So I'm going to come back to that another time. See you soon.